Hi, today I'm just going to tell you how to create a database for your website where you can store like users or make a poll with all the votes and stuff like that. So first of all, you need to go to your website and go to its cPanel. I'm going to log in through my web host website. Hold on. Okay. Okay. Hold on. Right. So once you get into your cPanel, you've got all these different sections. So if you're new to cPanel, I'll just kind of give you a bit of a show through each thing. Got the references at the top, just here. Sorry, that's the preferences, not references. Which is languages, password, sort of thing, kind of things to help you. You've got your mail, which is all email authentication if you've got users and you can have your own email account. Files, that's for like the actual main content of your website. Logs is, hold on, for some reason I can't open it. Okay, logs is like, you can see the error log, it tells you different errors that your website has. Your bandwidth, so if you like exceeded it, it'll tell you that, and how much bandwidth you've used in that month and all that. You've got domains. You can have subdomains like say images.google.com. That's a subdomain because it has images on the front. Add-on domains, I'm not actually sure what that is, or park domains. A redirect is where, say, you can make your website redirect to someone else's website or your new website or something. Databases, this is what we're going to be working on. But you've got your software and services. Ruby on Rails is where you kind of import your own program that you've written in Ruby on Rails. So you've got different applications. If you've got Installatron, you can install kind of personal ones. Now, first of all, you need to make the database. So go to MySQL databases, or you can go to Database Wizard if you want to. And what we're going to do is we're going to name our database. I'm going to name one called YouTube, and it will have your website name first. So it will be like, mine is inkstick_YouTube. Click create database and then click go back. And there it is, you've got Inkstick YouTube. To access it, you need to add a user. So I'm going to make a user called YouTube. Password. Create user. Okay, so once you've done that, just what is it there? Here it'll say add user to database. Where it says user, I'm gonna select inkstick underscore YouTube, and the database inkstick underscore YouTube. Click add, and then tick the box that says all privileges, unless you want different ones, like you can delete tables, insert tables, all those sorts of things. If you want like a different user on your site, but you don't want them to have all the privileges that you have, you can change that. Okay, once you've done that and added a user and everything, you can go back to home and scroll down to the databases bit again and click on PHP MyAdmin. Take you to something that looks like this. So just click on the database, mine is here, and it will say it will ask you to add a table because you haven't got anything. So let's say we were going to have users. So I'll make a table called users with 3 fields. The fields is like username, password, all that. So you need 3. I'll show you what they're for in a minute. First one is ID, and that needs to be, I think that should be integer, which is int. User name should be varchar, and password should be varchar. And you can leave all these if you want. I mean, you can personalize them if you want, but I just leave them blank. On the ID, where it says auto increment, just tick that box because you don't want them to have to type in their own ID. You want it to be, because it's going to be like a 4-digit number. Make sure, well, you can use a different one, but the best one to use in the storage engine is MySQL. So tick that and click go. Click the wrong button. Actually, it's not go, it's save. This is not coming. What? Oh right, it's because I hold on. I'm gonna have to start again because I clicked the wrong button. Resend. Here we go. Right, let's try that again. ID, username, and password. Auto increment, MySQL, and save. Okay. If it says table here, like it'll say table, whatever you named your table, users has been created. And it'll have those 3 fields. There is another way you could do it. If you don't like using the interface, you could do it here. If you right, just type create table and then whatever, so users, and go in a couple. You can put ID in brackets the amount that you would want for. And that's another way you could do it, but it's a lot easier to do it in the insert option. Once you've done that, you can then connect to it. So I don't actually know the code for this, but let's say we're going to connect to it by PHP. I know it's something like, just use Notepad, it's something like PHP, PHP, DB connect, DB the password, then password, db, I think that's just db because it's the database, so actually that'd be the connect command, I think. Like that. And then we'll end it with the like that. So yeah, you could connect to it and